Good morning. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. Can't believe we're already more than halfway through May. This is going a lot faster than I thought it would. We're so close to June. There's less than a month of school left. Yay! Here is our meme of the day. Oh, it's a cute dog. Taco Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. Alright, so remember, you're going to watch or read Daily Message every day. You're going to complete your assignments, and you're going to turn in your work on Teams or by text or by email. And also, please make sure you're checking in with me. You only have to check in twice a week, and turning in your work does count as a communication. So if you're turning your work in, you don't have to message me special and say, "Hey, Mr. Shearing, I'm checking in." You're welcome to do that. You can if you'd like, but you don't have to. I think that the easiest way to check in with your teachers is by completing their work. So please make sure you're doing that. Now, today's assignment is to take the week 3 and 4 quiz. I'm giving you 2 days to do this. You don't need 2 days. It's only 10 questions, and one of them is just rating how you felt. So really, there's only 9 questions. The objective is to make inferences from a sample about a population. Here's what today should look like for you. You should watch this daily message. You should complete that week 3 and 4 quiz because it's only 9 questions, plus rate yourself on how you're feeling. Then after you've done that, because that's not going to take you very long, if there's any assignments from this last packet that you didn't get done, those are lessons 10.1, 10.2, 11.1, and 11.3. If you haven't finished any of those, use today to finish those. I'm also going to give you tomorrow to finish those. Thursday we move on to new stuff, and I don't want you to fall behind. So please make sure you have all of 10.1, 10.2, 11.1, 11.3 finished and turned in for credit by the end of the day tomorrow, so you're not falling behind. If you have any questions, if you need any help, if you aren't sure how to turn things in, I'm here for you. My office hours are from 9 to 11 and 1 to 2. Thanks, everyone, and have a great day.